Hello everyone, I am Barkha from insurtech in Webner. Today in this video, I'm going to explain how to create AL3 files from JSON using WinsurTech AL3 Creator REST API. In this video, I will stick to the simple case of packing a single policy transaction into an AL3 file with basic data. For more advanced cases like multiple transactions and metadata in the header groups of AL3, I will come up with more videos in the coming days. So let's begin with the process. Firstly, go to developer.winsurtech.com and sign in. I am signing in with Google. If you register, you will get access to the comprehensive AL3 APIs for 15 days. So you can test all the endpoints we have. You can subscribe to the AL3 parser or creator and eDocs APIs separately as well. After registration, click on the subscription menu. As I have already subscribed to the AL3 Creator API plan, I see it here. When you click it, you will see that you can download the AL3 Creator API collection. So let's download the collection. The next thing we will do, we will go to the Postman application. In the next step, we will import this collection. After importing it, you can see there are various endpoints. You can see the generate template endpoint. We need to click on this endpoint. You can basically get a ready to use JSON template for any LOB using this endpoint and then just fill in the required values and create AL3. As you can see, the first parameter is LOB. To generate the output for an LOB, we have to enter the correct LOB code. For example, flood P, auto P and home P, etc. Here I am writing home P. The next parameter is the transaction count. You need to enter the required number of transactions. By default, the transaction count is 1. You can add up to 50 transactions in a single template, but if you have to create an AL3 file with more than 50 policy transactions, you can make copies of these 50 policy template, pack all of them in a zip and submit that zip to our AL3 creation endpoint. All those policy transactions will be packed within the same AL3 file. For this demo purpose, I am writing one here. In the next parameter, which is the header group, we are leaving it blank, which means false. This parameter is to include the header group in the generated template, but I will explain it in the future videos. For this video, we will not focus on the header. We will just focus on some basic data of the policy transaction. In the full format, I am writing yes here. It indicates if you write yes, the full format of the template will be generated, which means the template will include all the AL3 elements of the past LOB. In the next parameter, which is template type, here I am writing the JSON. Because I want to generate the template in the JSON format, so after that you need to hit the send button. So as you can see, the output has been produced. So this is the output. So now what we will do, we have to save this output in a file. For this, we need to click on the save response, and I will save this output with the name and with .json extension. So as you can see, the file has been successfully saved. So now I will move on to the JSON to AL3 conversion part. Before AL3 creation, we need to fill data in the template. Not every field needs to be filled with data. Only the important fields for which you have the data are to be filled. For example, Here we can fill the policy number. This is for carrier code. This field is for policy effective date, and you can see the expiration date key also here. I have already prepared a file with test data. Let me show it to you. You can see the basic insured information group where you will find the insured name. Next, we will move on to the basic policy information group where you will find the policy number, carrier code, policy effective date and expiration date. Further, you will see the location group where you will see the location number, address, city, state, zip code. Next we have is homeowners and dwelling fire rating underwriting group where you will find the homeowners policy type code, year built. Below in the coverage group you will see the coverage code, full term premium and net change premium. Let's now move on to the JSON to AL3 endpoint. Here in the input file parameter, I need to upload the zip file. I will now compress the full template file I have with test data for homeowners insurance. Let me compress this file as a zip file. I will upload the compressed file in the input file. In the next parameter, which is strict mode, if you write yes here, the file will go through strict checking on the element values like mandatory checks and valid ACORD codes. To keep it simple for this demo, I am writing no here. Now I will hit the send button and the output will be generated. You will see the file has been generated without any errors. Now all you have to do is copy this output within inverted comma and paste it into the notepad. You can save this content in a file with any name, but it is recommended to save the file with .al3 or .dat extension. I am saving the content. Now I will open this file in our AL3 web viewer. As you can see the basic insured information group and you will see the insured name. Next we will have is basic policy information group where you will find the policy number, policy effective date and expiration date. Below we have is the location group. You can see the location number, address, city, state, and we have is homeowners and dwelling fire rating underwriting group where you will see the homeowners policy type code, year built. Next we have is the coverage group where you can see the coverage code, full term premium and net change premium. So this is how you can convert a JSON file into AL3 using our JSON templates. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. If you need any help with AL3, ACORD forms, AMS, CRM, PMS or any other insurtech solutions, please contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.